Let's learn how to change our age on TikTok in just a few easy steps. If you've entered your birth date incorrectly, or you simply want to change your age in order to view restricted content on TikTok, then follow my steps. We will go over to our TikTok profile page, and then let's open the Settings and Privacy section. Once we're here, we will tap on the Account section at the very top, and then we'll open the User Information settings. As you can see here, we don't have an option to change our TikTok account birthday or our age, so we'll have to use another little trick. You want to go back to the main settings page, and we can do that by going to your TikTok profile, then tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right of the screen. Open the Settings and Privacy option right here. When you get to the settings page, scroll a little bit down until you can see this Report a Problem option. Expand the Account and Profile section and then find the Edit Profile button. We will see a couple of different options, but we will click on the Other button. Our job is to contact the TikTok support team, and we can do that by tapping No under the Is Your Problem Resolved, and then select this Need More Help button. That's going to open this contact form where we can explain our issue and kindly ask the TikTok team to change our age. You can write something like, I am writing right here. Explain to them that your current birth date is incorrect and you need to change it. Tell them that you can provide your ID card or other documents if that's necessary. So you can write this exact same message like I'm doing right here, and then submit the message and wait for their response. They should reply to you within a couple of days, and they should help you with changing your birth date. Don't upload a photo of your ID card if they don't ask you to do so. So just explain the problem to them, kindly ask them to change your birth date on the profile, and that's it. If this video helped you out and you were able to change your TikTok birth date, then leave a like on this video, and I will see you in the next one.